So that is why hata huyu jamaa akisema that he will not let me catch my breath, if it is a matter of strength, he is mighty. God is mighty. This is not even something I should tell you. This is something you know. Even your own life, wewe mwenyewe tangu uzali. Even you have come to realize, even little children, they know God is God. Even a cow, even a chicken, even. Ndio maana hata ukienda ujaribu kukaa ni kama unaua mnyama, anaogopanga. Na hajui death ni nini, but anaogopa. Why? Yeah? It is because they understand that there is a mighty power above everything. And I've come to see God's supremacy is so supreme that hata wewe sema God is only for the righteous people. God is for all of us. Sisi wote, the wicked, the right. Hata hapa mbele utakuja uone. Hata Job mwenyewe will say, the wicked and the righteous, all of them have the same nini. Awamu yao ni the same. Like you can't say because you are righteous, now you are you have some, yani it's like kuna venye uko special kwa Mungu. Hakuna bana. Each and every person, he has no, how do I call it? He has no favoritism. You know the thing where unaweza pata ati maybe like kwa sana family. Pata kuna mtoi mwenye anapendwa kuliko ule mwingine because this one has something. No. In God, sisi wote tuko the same bwana. It does not matter whether uko hivi ama hivi. No. And that is why when you are born into this family of salvation, you put everything aside. Whether you are a man, whether you are a woman, whether you are black, whether you are white, whether you are blue, whether you are poor, whether you are rich, everything, you put it aside, because now when you come into this kingdom, you come to realize that all of us are the same, but the darkness that resides in you is the same darkness that resides in everybody. So you'll stop looking at anyone like a god or like anything. You'll realize that the only righteous person, the only holy person is God. And everyone else of us, we have different proportions of faith, but the darkness is there. The dark, yani hiyo usiwahi don't, hata usiwahi fikiria ati ama imeenda ama haiko, it is there. Aya, listen. Even if I were innocent, my mouth will condemn me. Wow, because this is true. The tongue. Hata utakuja uone one of the things that really is insisted a lot in the Bible is take care of your tongue, take care of your speeches, take care of what you say, because this mouth can be used, and it can curse or it can bless, and it is very important that you take care of it. But you know, we are human beings. Si rahisi to really take care of it, you know. You'll just find yourself umetusi mtu, umefanya kitu. And I mean, if you're not spiritually awoken to these things, unawezaona ni kama hizi vitu zinanichafua. But in real sense, wewe ni mchafu already. Like, I don't know whether you really understand that point.